For the first time ever, Hatchimals are having Royal Snowball and we are invited. Are you ready for some royalty? Pack comes with 2 royal eggs to hatch and a colorful glitter throne. Get your Royal Hatch and Royal Snowball collectibles climbed up for the Royal Snowball with the Hatchimal collectible, 2 packs and throne. This pack comes with this collector guide which will tell you more about your Hatchimal collectibles. Let's crack them open and see what we get inside it. Wow, look at this chair. It is so royal and glittery. Do you know a Hatchie secret? These little Hatchimals come with amazing accessories and are wearable by season 6 Hatchimals. So more the collectibles you get, more fun to mix and match. They have exclusive accessories for each special and limited edition families. Their cute little crown makes them look so royal. We have received Royal Snail and Frosty Chameleon. It's time to welcome our Royal Pixie. 8 new pixies have taken over the Hashtopia, with everyone talking about the Royal Snowball. I am so happy we are invited. Wow, what a glittery beautiful pixie this is. Her name is Peach Pollet. Guess what else in here? A spinning dance floor with a royal scene, a mask, a headband, and a necklace. So glittery and shiny these accessories are. I just love their fluttery rings and I can't believe how fancy, royal and classy these royal pixies are. Here's a little surprise. For the first time ever, Hatchimals and tiny pets hatch out of a heart egg with 2 whole hatches. They are each of those best friends. This heart-shaped egg comes with 2 hatches. There are so many different heart hatches. I am going to collect them all. There are common hearts, rare hearts, ultra rare and limited edition. These teeny tiny pets play and connect together as well. Together forever, always. Look how glittery, shiny, fuzzy they are.
Hi guys, I'm ready for my vacation with my new Pixies vacation style. Let's open it.
Pixies are coming to our world. We are meeting the most fashionable and adventurous new vacation pixies. There are 5 different pixies who travel around London, Paris, Tokyo, Hawaii, and Alps. Wow, this is such a beautiful suitcase. Look how glittery they are. Do we crack it open? Let's try opening it. Oh wow, who is she? Let's check out. She is Glittering Gracie from Glittering Garden and she is traveling to Tokyo and she loves fashion. Oh wow, she is carrying with her cute accessories as well. Look how beautiful they are. One in every 10 hatches you have a chance of getting a collectible. There is a Hatchimal sticker inside that will give you a clue who is inside and where they are going. I would love to visit London for my next vacation. Hey guys, do let me know which city you want to visit for your next vacation. These pixies are traveling the world to show their vacation style. I didn't know airport looks are also famous in Hashtopia. Guys, I'm ready to go to cities with them. Are you joining? So let's get on board. Thank you Win Magic Toys for sending these Hatchimal Royal Pixies. I hope you like our video. Do like and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.